welcome to the studio of the little boat. I would have loved to make a great video about Croatia and Slovenia, but I could not. I have exactly 3 shots, and you've seen them. Ridiculous entrance fees, up to 70 euros to see a waterfall, and widespread parking restrictions for campers made it basically impossible to enjoy anything in these 2 countries. At one point, when we wanted to visit a canyon with an entrance fee of 10 euros a person, they told us to park elsewhere and take the bus. That was the limit for us, and we drove straight to the Italian border. So, unfortunately, no cute video of the little boat in Croatia or Slovenia.